Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Toyota Prius. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and make it discoverable. Next, navigate to your Prius's audio system menu. Look for the Bluetooth or phone option to start the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. We'll guide you through each step to get your device paired quickly and easily. Once in the Bluetooth menu, select Add New Device or Pair Device. Your Prius will then broadcast its Bluetooth signal, often appearing as Car Multimedia or Toyota Prius on your phone. On your phone, select this name from the list of available devices. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, your phone might ask for permissions, such as access to contacts or media audio. Grant these permissions to ensure full functionality. Your phone should then indicate that it's successfully connected to the vehicle's Bluetooth system. To verify, try playing some music or making a quick test call. This confirms your device is fully integrated and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's audio system can often resolve minor glitches. You might also try deleting any previous Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the Prius, then start the process fresh. For persistent problems, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions or unique features related to your model. Most connections are straightforward, but these tips can help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.